boats are taken back into the ship. Isn't it amazing? They offloaded all those boats in the morning as a ferry to take us back and forth to the island, and now they are taking the boats back into the ship. Amazing. By cranes, right? All right, one is already loaded, 4 more to go, or maybe 3 more to go. They had 4, 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. So they got 2 more to come in. And the cranes will now pull the boat into the ship for storage. Let's get food. Two more boats to come in.